mayroong libro na nabasa ko yung quote about people who are about to die. And they were asked, what are the regrets that we have? Yung mga regrets nila, hindi kung sila yumaman o hindi. In one encapsulating statement, sinabi nila, they regret not doing something that they could have done while they were strong and they were actually in the full circle of life. So your purpose, dear writers, dear scribes, dear future journalists, will fuel you. Make your purpose a good purpose, a noble one, then your efforts will be fueled to the gentle of
the most powerful weapon in politics today is not the law. What is the most powerful weapon in politics today is a story. That's why narratives are famous, because they carry a story with them. Sinong kinatatakutan natin ngayon? Yung taong marunong magkwento. Hindi yung makapangyarihan, hindi yung mayaman, hindi yung alagad ng batas, but definitely those people who have stories and those people who know how to tell their story.
Tribune, meron tayo. This is World.